Alright guys, bam! I got another one today. They said the newer ones have different upgraded chips, so I'm hoping it can catch better than this one I got right here. As you guys all know, I turned this one into a Rolex right here. Right now I got this function on right there, but let's do an unboxing on this guy. Hold on just a second. My knife somewhere. Alright, let's do unboxing on this guy right here. Again, of course, but alright, let's do unboxing here. I don't want to break the box just in case I might have to return it because sometimes there's defects in certain items. Go right there. Go. Alright. Come on, box. Alright, here we go. So this is for the Samsung Active 2 Galaxy Watch. Alright guys, let's just do an unboxing. Alright, well, they made the box a little better. Ooh, they got a bunch of stuff in here this time. Oh, they actually covered it up nicely this time. The first unboxing I did wasn't as pretty. Alright, how do you open this thing? I guess you pry it off, I guess? I don't know. Come on. Alright, there you go. It's getting off. Here she is. Apparently there's a bunch of stickers on her, but we'll take that off in a minute. Let's see what's in the box. Alright. Nothing there. I like how they just put a bunch of boxes all over. Okay, this is the band. Whoa, so the band is actually more upgraded since the original band. When it first came out, if you look at my other videos, the band was really bad. But wow, this band is so much better than the original one. This band I like. That's way better. Alright, what we got in here now? Let me guess. Okay, I guess you got like some instruction books, manual, blah 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 stuff. Quick start guide. Charger. Alright, again. Oh boy, let's see. Come on. Oh, open it the wrong way, guys. My bad. There we go. Nice simple charger right there. Got this bad boy on top. Alright, so this is everything that comes in the box. Oh, I gotta really rip everything out. You gotta like pretty much destroy the box to get this thing out now. Hold on. Let me do this. Alright, so that's everything in the box. So we got the box right here. Some instructions. Some of this stuff. Alright. So here she is. Oh, she's real nice, this one. Alright, so I'm going to charge her with this a little while, and I'm going to do more to it. So again, this was the unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy Active 2 LTE version watch.